Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host from Tint Pro, and today we're tackling one of the trickiest parts of the job, installing tint on your car's back window. It's curved, it has defroster lines, and it needs to be perfect. Scene shifts to showing the tools laid out. Film, squeegee, heat gun, spray bottle with soap solution, utility knife, cleaning supplies. Step 1. Preparation is key. First, we need a surgical level of clean. Thoroughly clean the inside of your rear window. Use your soapy water solution and a squeegee to remove all dirt, grime, and debris. Don't forget the edges and the dot matrix area. A dirty window means bubbles and a bad finish. Step 2. Cutting the pattern, the outside job. Now, let's work on the outside. Spray the exterior glass with your solution and lay your tint film on top, with the protective liner facing you. Use a sharp utility knife to trim the film, leaving a slight overhang. This is where you get the basic shape. For the complex curves of the rear glass, you'll need to use a heat gun for a process called heat shrinking. Visual: close-up of the host using the heat gun and a squeegee to shrink the film to the curve of the glass. Carefully apply heat and squeegee the film flat, working out the fingers and creases until the film lays perfectly flat on the curve. This is crucial for a professional look. Once shrunk, trim the pattern precisely to the window's edge. Step 3. Installation, the inside job. Time to apply the tint. Clean the inside glass one last time. Now carefully peel back the protective liner from the film, spraying the adhesive side immediately with your soapy solution. This is your slip solution, and it allows you to position the film. Visual: the host carefully lifting the liner and spraying, then placing the film inside the car. Place the wet adhesive side of the film onto the wet inside of the window. Use the slip solution to slide and align the tint perfectly. Step 4. Squeegee time. Starting from the center and working your way out, use your squeegee with firm overlapping strokes to push all the water and air bubbles from under the film. Take your time, working around those defroster lines. Wipe up the excess water with a lint-free cloth. Visual: fast motion of the host squeegeeing the film, showing bubbles disappearing. Conclusion: and there you have it. A flawless, professional-grade rear window tint installation. Remember, let it cure for a few days before rolling any windows down. If you found this guide helpful, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to Tint Pro for more DIY guides, pro tips, and product reviews. Drop a comment below with your next tinting challenge.